Bamboo, nature's own miracle fiber. Its resilience and versatility have shaped cultures for millennia.
But modern demands require modern farming. This is the story of how sustainable harvest meets industrial innovation.
From the fields of cultivation to the factory floor, every step is critical for quality and eco-responsibility. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant on Earth. Its initial growth stage is nothing short of explosive.
Careful species selection and meticulous management are key to a productive, sustainable forest.
Precise, targeted irrigation ensures minimal water waste, maximizing the yield with minimal environmental footprint. Technology aids tradition. Real-time data guides farming decisions, optimizing soil health and nutrition.
Pruning is essential, not just for aesthetics, but to encourage airflow and prevent disease.
Specialized machinery is designed to respect the fragile root systems while efficiently nurturing the crop.
After several years of careful grow, the moment of harvest approaches. But not every stalk is ready.
Only the fully matured culms, typically 3 to 5 years old, are selected. This ensures the sustainability of the forest.
Enter the machine. Designed for precision and speed, it dramatically changes the efficiency of the harvest.
The cut must be clean and deliberate, protecting the vital base of the plant so it can regenerate immediately.
No falling, no damage. The efficiency of this mechanical harvest minimizes waste and labor strain. Where once dozens of workers toiled, this single machine can perform the same task with superior consistency.
The sustainable cycle continues. New shoots will soon replace what was taken, fueled by the energy in the established rhizome network.
The journey begins. From the quiet of the forest to the controlled environment of the processing plant. Here, in the factory, the raw material is transformed into the high-quality products we use every day. Initial calibration is critical. The raw culms must be sorted and sized with absolute precision. Quality assurance begins immediately. Scanners check for diameter, thickness, and any internal structural imperfections.
Only the premium cuts continue. Offcuts are responsibly processed into other materials, ensuring zero waste. The next step, the bug-out process. Boiling cures the wood, removing natural sugars and starch, making it inhospitable to insects. This chemical-free, heat-based process is a core component of sustainable preservation. Moisture content is critical. The treated bamboo must be slowly and evenly dried in climate-controlled conditions.
A precise moisture level is essential for stability. This guarantees the bamboo will not warp or crack later. The round stalk is now transformed into usable material. Powerful splitters break the fiber along its natural grain. Consistency is paramount. Each strip must meet exact tolerances for the next stage of processing. Sanding and planing remove non-structural material, preparing the bamboo for its final, crucial transformation. Micron-level accuracy ensures that every final product, be it flooring or furniture, is perfectly consistent.
For a richer color and increased hardness, some strips undergo carbonization, a precise heat treatment process.
This baking process darkens the material naturally, without the use of chemical stains or dyes. Once carbonized, they must be rapidly cooled to lock in the color and structural integrity.
The foundation of strength. A thin, precise layer of eco-friendly adhesive bonds the individual strips together. Under immense pressure and heat, the individual strips are fused into a monolithic, solid block. This lamination process is what gives the final product its superior density and legendary structural stability. The raw block is now ready for its final form, a testament to engineering and the strength of the bamboo fiber.
Precision slicing dictates the final product. Every cut must be flawless to minimize material loss.
Dimensional stability is verified by laser technology. In the modern factory, there is no room for human error. The final step for flooring: cutting the essential interlocking profiles for easy, secure installation. Perfect fit every time. The result of rigorous control throughout the entire manufacturing process. A multi-layered, durable, and eco-friendly clear coating is applied to protect the surface from wear and moisture.
The coating is instantly cured using powerful UV light, creating a scratch-resistant and immediate-use surface.
From the raw stalk to the final package, a complete transformation rooted in sustainability and precision engineering. Every package represents a commitment to the environment, to quality, and to the future of construction materials.
The cycle is complete, and yet it is just beginning.
The resilience, regeneration. The true wonder of bamboo lies in its ability to renew itself so quickly.
As a crop, bamboo provides unparalleled benefits to the planet, locking away atmospheric carbon.
The final product is a blend of strength, beauty, and ecological consciousness.
A seamless integration of nature and industry. The future of sustainable materials is being forged right here. The soil itself is nurtured. Fallen leaves and branches return their nutrients, ensuring the long-term health of the grove.
Simple, practiced techniques are still the backbone of forest maintenance.
An entire micro-ecosystem thrives here, essential for the health and nutrient delivery to the roots. What we see above ground is only part of the story. The true strength is the interconnected rhizome network below.
Water management is a science, providing the necessary hydration without saturating the soil.
The marking is a precise act. It confirms the plant is at its optimal age for structural strength.
The tools of the trade require rigorous, daily maintenance to ensure safety and precision.
The smallest imperfection in the blade can compromise the quality of the cut and the health of the rhizome.
Every new day brings the opportunity for another sustainable and highly efficient harvest.
The process is mechanized but respects the plant's life cycle and the surrounding ecosystem.
Protection from moisture and sun is vital during transport to maintain the raw material's integrity.
Logistics are managed with military precision to ensure continuous supply to the production lines.
Traceability is guaranteed. Each batch is tracked from the specific plot in the forest to the final product. Waste management begins at the first cut. Sawdust is immediately collected for use as fuel or composite material.
Sub-millimeter tolerances are non-negotiable for the quality of the final laminated product.
Worker safety is integrated into every aspect of the high-speed, demanding production environment. Even with the machine, the human eye remains the final arbiter of quality for aesthetic defects. For maximum density, the bamboo is shredded into flexible strands, a process called noodling.
The strands are coated completely in a special, high-performance, moisture-resistant adhesive.
This material is now ready for extreme pressure, the final step in creating the ultra-dense strand woven product. Under literally thousands of pounds of pressure, the individual strands are cold compressed into a solid, impenetrable mass.
The hardest, densest bamboo product available, Strand Woven is designed for high-traffic, demanding applications.
Its density rivals the hardest hardwoods, requiring specialized, high-intensity cutting tools.
The aesthetic is unique, a subtle, beautiful pattern born from extreme industrial compression.
Two methods, two unique materials, both born from the same sustainable stalk, but with different end properties.
Beyond flooring, the material is used for furniture, requiring complex, precise component manufacturing. Computer-controlled routing allows for complex, repeatable shapes with zero tolerance for error.
Even with the highest technology, the human touch is essential for the final, detailed finishing.
Strong, light, and beautiful. The final furniture piece is a showcase for the material's versatility. The knowledge must be passed on. Sustainable farming is a tradition, refined over generations. Research and development in the field ensure the ongoing improvement of the crop for diverse applications.
In the R&D lab, the cellular structure is analyzed to maximize the natural strength of the fiber. The secret to its strength is its natural, linear fiber arrangement, perfectly designed by nature.
All materials, including the adhesive, must meet strict international standards for indoor air quality and environmental safety.
Automation ensures that complex manufacturing specifications are executed with perfect digital repeatability.
Despite the automation, final visual inspection by a trained eye is an essential part of the quality loop.
The final product is stored in a climate-controlled warehouse, ready for distribution worldwide.
Global reach of sustainable material. From a small forest plot to construction sites across the world. A global supply chain built on traceability, efficiency, and a commitment to low-impact logistics. Arriving at its final destination. The ease of installation is a key feature of the engineered material.
The perfection of the millwork means installation is fast, clean, and requires minimal specialized tools.
A natural, healthy, and beautiful foundation for any space, capable of supporting modern living.
Warm to the touch and naturally antimicrobial, a healthy choice for homes and businesses.
The seamless appearance is a direct result of the factory's commitment to precision engineering. The final seal, a non-toxic, hard-wearing lacquer, protects the wood while highlighting its natural beauty. Moisture resistance is a key property, ensuring longevity and hygiene for products like kitchenware.
Every item is a signature, a final mark of origin, quality, and sustainable sourcing. A streamlined, continuous flow, minimizing handling and maximizing efficiency in every single stage.
The harvest is not an end, but a necessary pause. The forest gives, and immediately the forest renews.
The connection to the land is the first lesson. The future of the crop depends on this understanding.
The density of the culm wall is the key structural indicator. Only the thickest walls are fit for industrial use. Continuous expansion ensures the long-term, sustainable supply of the raw material, managed with foresight.
Precise, organic nutrient delivery ensures the rapid, healthy development of the new rhizome. The incredible growth rate of bamboo is a biological marvel, a renewable resource unlike any other.
Designed for all terrains, the harvest machine operates effectively without damaging the underlying soil or root structure.
Every aspect is designed to preserve the integrity of the raw material, from the first touch to the factory gate.
Efficient logistics minimize the transport footprint. Every movement is planned to reduce fuel consumption.
Careful unloading prevents any hairline fractures or damage that could compromise the final product.
Wall thickness is crucial. The density of the fiber determines the final product's hardness and strength.
Safety is paramount in the high-speed cutting environment, protected by automated light curtains and robust shielding.
The curing process is micromanaged. Temperature and pressure protocols are critical for sterilizing the fiber.
The air itself is controlled. The drying process is gentle, ensuring no stress fractures or warping. Once dry, the material is stable, locked in at its optimal moisture content, ready for lamination.
Zero waste policy. The tough, durable outer layer is collected and used in composite panels or bioenergy production.
Robotic precision ensures that every strip is perfectly aligned and ready for the adhesive application.
Controlled application prevents voids and ensures maximum, uniform bond strength throughout the block. The press achieves optimal pressure within seconds, forcing the individual strips to fuse into a single, cohesive unit. The laminated block is born. Stronger, denser, and more stable than the original raw material.
Efficiency in cutting. Multiple blades ensure that all planks from the block are dimensionally identical.
Surface quality is key for a flawless final product. No warp, no imperfection allowed.
Controlled environment application ensures a perfectly uniform, high durability, and scratch-resistant coating.
Instant cure. The UV process locks in the finish, allowing immediate handling and packaging.
The carbonization temperature is held to within a degree, essential for the rich, consistent color.
Creating the darker tones for modern design applications, the process remains the same: precision and low VOC adhesive.
The intense, rich color runs completely through the material, not just a surface stain. Traceability and clear labeling ensure the right product reaches the right customer without fail.
Compression literally weaves the strands together, creating the unique, ultra-dense structure. Maximum compression. This process maximizes the fiber density, giving the product its superior hardness. The result is clear: a material with a hardness score that far exceeds most conventional hardwoods. Understanding the underground network is key to the harvest. The health of the parent plant secures the next generation.
A rapid regeneration process. The energy is stored and ready to push forth new, healthy culms.
Only a small, careful selected percentage is harvested annually, ensuring the majority of the forest remains dense and intact.
The final human check. Ensuring that the product arrives in the same flawless condition it left the factory.
A commitment to safety for every employee. A safe work environment is a fundamental priority.
Continuous improvement is data-driven. Weekly reviews ensure process efficiency and quality control remain optimal. The ultimate test: impact resistance. The dense lamination absorbs significant force with minimal surface damage.
The result of superior compression and a durable, multi-layered protective coating. In standardized tests, engineered bamboo consistently outperforms most conventional flooring materials in durability. Tested in high-traffic commercial environments, the material proves its long-term durability and elegance.
The advanced, cured finish makes the surface highly moisture-resistant and easy to clean.
From growth to manufacturing, the overall carbon impact of bamboo products is significantly lower than traditional materials.
Air quality is a core value, both within the factory and in the final product installed in homes.
The next generation of stewards is ready. The farming techniques are preserved and enhanced with modern knowledge.
Sustainability is not just a process. It is a partnership between human effort and the tireless bounty of nature.
Every product, from flooring to a simple table leg, is packed and shipped with the same meticulous care. Architects and designers globally are choosing engineered bamboo for its performance, beauty, and sustainable profile.
A high-performance alternative, capable of integrating seamlessly with all modern construction palettes. Transformation complete. From the field to the product, a journey of strength and precision. Delivering the next generation of sustainable materials to the global marketplace.
Monitoring continues across the entire acreage, ensuring optimal conditions for every plant, even in the dry season. Data-driven farming. Every rain event is recorded, optimizing irrigation schedules and preventing overwatering.
The precision of the machine leaves a clean cut, crucial for minimizing the risk of disease and maximizing regrowth potential.
Efficiency extends to fuel consumption and maintenance, maximizing uptime while minimizing operational impact. Surgical precision. The machine can extract the mature culm without disturbing the dense surrounding growth.
Gentle handling at every stage. Even the conveyor systems are designed to protect the integrity of the material.
Water conservation. The steam from the curing process is condensed and recycled back into the factory's closed-loop system. Inventory is carefully managed, ensuring the correct material is always available for the specific product line. Species purity is maintained. Cross-contamination between different types of bamboo is strictly prevented.
Adaptive engineering. The machine adjusts automatically to ensure a uniform final strip thickness, regardless of minor raw material variation.
Internal flaw detection. The light table reveals any subsurface issues that could compromise the final laminated block.
For a different aesthetic and grain pattern, the strips are arranged vertically before the high-pressure lamination. Vertical grain yields a clean, linear look, emphasizing the height and uniformity of the fiber.
Vertical grain, a modern, sleek aesthetic, maintaining the strength and durability of the material. To create a mixed, speckled effect, the strands are often color-treated individually before the compression process.
The tiger stripe pattern is created by mixing uncarbonized and carbonized strands, a truly unique aesthetic.
Customization and volume. The line manages a diverse portfolio of products with absolute, automated accuracy. Logistical intelligence ensures the correct product is moved to the correct pallet for rapid shipping and stock management. Internal transport is zero emission. Minimizing the environmental impact extends to every vehicle on site. Final check and dispatch. The paperless manifest ensures accuracy and real-time tracking from factory to destination.
The journey continues, fueled by efficient logistics and the environmental commitment of the transport partners. Engineered for the elements. A new generation of bamboo decking that is weather-resistant and incredibly durable.
Hidden fasteners create a flawless, safe surface with superior resistance to warping and lifting.
A natural material, engineered to last in the most demanding outdoor environments. The perfect blend of nature and science.
The work is hard, but the rewards are in the perpetual cycle of growth, harvest, and renewal.
Water, earth, and light, the essential elements driving the rapid, regenerative cycle of the bamboo forest.
The unseen work. A tireless biological machine operating beneath the surface, feeding the growth.
The entire process is a closed loop. Every offcut, every waste product is recycled or repurposed.
Waste becomes energy. The sawdust and fibers are processed into clean-burning fuel for the factory's heat-curing ovens.
Recycled water, clean steam. The factory's environmental controls are rigorously monitored and maintained.
Engineered for flexibility as well as hardness. The lamination provides superior tensile and bending strength.
Dimensional stability test. Even after prolonged exposure to moisture, the plank shows minimal swelling or warping. The heat and pressure curing process effectively seals the fiber, making it highly resistant to moisture-induced changes.
The fine-tuning of the machine is a master craft, requiring years of experience for perfect, repeatable results.
And every cut, every angle is designed for a flawless, secure, and permanent mechanical lock between the planks.
For specialized use, micro-thin veneers are peeled, maintaining the laminated material's strength while providing a flexible surface. Used for cabinets, wall coverings, and specialized furniture, the veneer maintains the material's aesthetic and strength.
The versatility of bamboo extends to interior finishing, offering a natural, textural alternative to traditional wall coverings.
Powering the process. A significant portion of the factory's energy needs are generated through on-site solar power.
reducing reliance on the grid. Clean, renewable energy is fundamental to the factory's operating philosophy.
The new generation takes the lead, combining traditional knowledge with modern, data-driven sustainability practices.
Advanced engineering is the cornerstone of the efficient, precise, and highly sustainable mechanical harvest. A clean cut and minimal surface area ensures the stump's rapid healing and immediate potential for regeneration. Pre-sorting in the field, the raw material is categorized immediately, streamlining the process once it reaches the factory.
Another day's work complete. A continuous cycle that respects the limits and harnesses the power of nature. The commitment to high volume requires a continuous, automated production line, maintained by a skilled night crew.
The final touch. Robotic precision ensures a perfect, uniform finish, ready for final assembly.
The true measure of durability. The impact resistance and hardness that defines the material's strength.
A final mark of a product, responsibly sourced and meticulously engineered from start to finish. The cycle turns eternally. This is the promise of sustainable bamboo. Even in the largest operation, the heart of the process is the careful, personal stewardship of the land. The dedication to the new life. Each shoot represents the next decade of sustainable harvest.
Soil chemistry is monitored meticulously. Optimal pH is key for nutrient absorption and rapid growth.
Conserving water and enriching the soil. The mulch provides a protective, nutrient-rich layer.
The true powerhouse of the forest. This underground network can sustain the grove for decades.
Gentle care for the vulnerable young growth. Manual tending ensures no root system is disturbed.
Versatile technology. The machine is also utilized for low-impact internal transport, keeping heavy trucks off sensitive soil. Material specificity. Each species requires a slightly different curing and processing protocol, managed by automated sorting.
Core temperature check. Ensuring the sterilization process is complete and uniform throughout the entire segment. Internal logistics is fully automated. Every segment's location and stats is tracked in real time. Dimensional verification. Precision measurement before planing ensures minimal waste and high consistency.
Final preparation for lamination. The planing depth is set with micron accuracy to achieve the final desired strip thickness.
Controlled batching. The bundles are now ready for adhesive application and high-pressure lamination. Pre-press alignment is key. The strips must be perfectly parallel to maximize bonding surface area. The invisible work. The low VOC adhesive flows and cures perfectly under the immense, uniform pressure.
The combined heat and pressure ensure a fully cured, rock-solid, and highly stable final material.
The first cut is the most critical. Flawless alignment ensures every subsequent plank is perfectly square and true. Pre-finishing quality check. Automated optical scanners ensure only perfect planks continue to the finishing line.
No compromise on quality. Any minor surface defect is flagged, and the material is repurposed for non-aesthetic applications. A silk-smooth surface is created by multi-stage, fine-grit sanding, ensuring maximum adhesion for the finish. Adaptive finishing. The spray pattern automatically adjusts for different product widths, minimizing overspray and waste. Perfect, crystal-clear finish. The multi-layered coating is now instantly hardened, providing lasting protection. Precision components ensure easy, foolproof assembly of the final product, designed for consumer convenience. Structural integrity, the result of precision milling and high-quality joinery design.
The future begins now. Continuous, gentle monitoring of the new growth ensures a healthy, strong crop for the next cycle.
The established network provides immediate support and resources, leading to the rapid, sustained growth.
Respect for the ecosystem. The forest remains a thriving habitat, monitored to ensure minimal impact on local wildlife.
A diverse and healthy biome is a testament to the sustainable farming practices employed here.
Custom finishes for unique projects. The engineered material can be treated to match any contemporary design aesthetic. Specialized curing ensures the custom finish is perfectly set, maintaining the material's durability and low VOC standards. Color consistency is guaranteed. Digital measurement ensures batch-to-batch color perfection.
From the raw forest to the height of architectural design, the material proves its versatility and beauty.
Automated quality check. The machine verifies the straightness of the comb to ensure the best yield for laminated products.
Precise yield tracking. Every load is weighed and logged, ensuring accurate financial and environmental auditing.
End-to-end traceability. Data from the field is instantly merged with the factory's inventory for full life cycle tracking.
Preventative maintenance is scheduled and rigorous, ensuring the safety and precision of the high-pressure machinery.
Temperature control for the adhesive is vital. Optimal viscosity ensures a superior, long-lasting bond.
High-density cutting requires a cooling medium. The factory uses a closed-loop system to conserve and recycle all water.
Every last piece is utilized. Even the small offcuts are repurposed into composite filler material.
Structural testing ensures that every component is fit for its intended use, far exceeding minimum safety requirements.
Education is key. Sharing the knowledge of sustainable harvesting with the next generation is vital for the future.
Connecting the modern world to the ancient resource. Inspiring the future stewards of the land.
A dedicated infrastructure minimizes the impact of transportation, confining traffic to designated, managed routes.
Commitment to the environment extends to the packaging. Choosing low-impact, biodegradable shipping materials.
Green Logistics, partnered with shipping companies dedicated to minimizing fuel consumption and carbon emissions.
The global reach of the product, delivered with a focus on fuel-efficient, responsible maritime transport.
Safe for the family, safe for the planet. The final product is a healthy, durable foundation for a better life.
Naturally antimicrobial and non-toxic. A safe material for the most sensitive environments.
Durability is a key component of sustainability. A longer product life means less consumption and less waste.
The promise delivered. Engineered bamboo, a material for today, built to last for generations.
The peak of the growing cycle. Each stalk is a column of natural energy, ready for its purpose.
A firm dedication to conservation and responsible land use is the foundation of the entire operation.
The sound of maturity. An experienced ear can judge the density and age of the fiber before the cut.
The mobility of the specialized equipment ensures the systematic, continuous harvest across the entire network of groves.
A natural defense. A non-toxic solution is applied to the raw material to prevent mold and mildew during the initial phase.
The high-heat bath penetrates the core, naturally removing all the starches and sugars that attract pests.
Post-curing selection. The segments are segregated based on their planned final product, whether light or dark. The carbonized strip maintains its uniform color and density, ready for lamination into the darker product line. Vertical alignment requires perfect side bonding. The adhesive must be applied with maximum uniformity.
The vertical grain block, a unique aesthetic born from the precise orientation of the fiber.
Precision slicing reveals the clean, continuous linear pattern of the finished vertical grain plank.
The final dimensioning for the Strand Woven product, ensuring a perfect, stable, and even surface for the finish. A commercial-grade finish provides superior abrasion and chemical resistance, ideal for high-traffic environments.
Abrasion resistance. Scientific testing verifies the durability of the protective coating against continuous wear. Maintaining efficiency, the solar array is regularly cleaned to ensure peak energy capture and power generation.
Resource management. The factory operates on a low-consumption model, prioritizing water recycling and rainwater harvesting. The forest is a valued ecosystem. The commitment to sustainability extends to the protection of all local wildlife.
Nature's renewable miracle. A sustainable, beautiful resource, carefully nurtured for the world.
A global material rooted in local stewardship, delivering sustainable solutions across continents. Compliance and certification. Independent verification ensures adherence to the highest international standards for sustainability.
24/7 efficiency. The factory operates autonomously, driven by sophisticated process control and automation.
Continuous monitoring ensures that all process variables remain precisely within the optimal energy and efficiency parameters.
Choosing the lowest impact transit. Rail transport minimizes the carbon footprint of long-distance logistics.
The commitment to sustainability continues through every mile of the journey to the final customer.
Engineered for superior performance and durability, even in the most demanding commercial applications.
The versatility of the material extends to interior design, a beautiful, sustainable alternative to wood paneling.
The full environmental value proposition. A comprehensive solution for a sustainable future.
The health of the forest and the purity of the environment are inextricably linked. It is the lifeblood of the grove.
A habit of stewardship, ensuring nothing is wasted, even in the field environment. The incredible scale of a sustainably managed resource. A reservoir of material for a growing world.
Calibration is everything. Perfect alignment ensures uniform pressure and dimensional stability in the final block.
Final moisture vapor resistance test. The finished product must resist moisture ingress to maintain its stability. Complete transparency. The QR code provides instant access to the product's entire life cycle and sustainability certifications.
Empowering the consumer. Full, transparent history and chain of custody are available at their fingertips.
More than just a resource, the operation is a vital partner, supporting the local economy and community well-being.
Investing in the future. The product is used locally, providing safe, durable, and healthy learning environments. A moment of reflection. The peaceful coexistence of human effort and nature's tireless energy.
A sustainable life is a complete picture. From the earth to the table and back to the earth again. He understands the cycle now. The weight of responsibility and the promise of perpetual renewal.
The endless cycle concludes for the day, only to begin again at first light.
The principles of sustainability are active, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, a continuous commitment.
The result of tireless effort. A material born from the earth, transformed by precision and purpose.
This is the promise of engineered bamboo, a product of strength, beauty, and unwavering environmental responsibility.
A perfect fusion of human dedication and technological excellence.
Designed for life, built for the future. Engineered bamboo, the sustainable choice.
Raw material, the world's most incredible renewable resource.
The tradition continues. The cycle of knowledge, responsibility, and stewardship.
Our work, a testament to the fact that industrial progress and environmental protection can and must go hand in hand.
Engineered bamboo, stronger, greener, forever renewable.